Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here. Today I'm going to teach you how to play all three open minor chords on the acoustic guitar. So the E minor chord is actually very simple to play, especially if you already learned the E major chord, because all you got to do is take your index finger off the first fret of the G string. It's really that simple. But here's the finger position for the E minor chord. What you want to do is you want to put your middle finger on the second fret of the A string, and then your ring finger on the second fret of the D string. And this is what an E minor should sound like. So the simplest way to learn how to play an A minor chord is all you gotta do is learn the E major chord and then move your fingers down one string each, and then you have an A minor chord. So let's talk about the finger positions for the A minor chord. So I have my index finger on the first fret of the B string, I have my middle finger on the second fret of the D string, and then I have my ring finger on the second fret of the G string. And the A minor chord should sound like this. So what you want to do if you want to play a D minor chord on the acoustic guitar is you want to put your index finger on the high E string of the first fret. You want to put your middle finger on the second fret of the G string, and then your ring finger on the third fret of the B string. And this is what a D minor chord should sound like on the acoustic guitar. So that's how you play all three open minor chords on the acoustic guitar. So as you may notice, there's only 3 of them, and that's because the rest of the minor chords are going to be played as bar chords, which I'll teach you later in another video. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos.